Imagine clicking a video that says, POV, you are the most feared hitman alive, and suddenly you're not watching anymore. You're inside it, feeling the pressure, the fear, the power. That's why these videos are addictive. Channels are using this type of video to gain tens of thousands of subscribers, millions of views, and serious money. This channel has gained over 82,000 subscribers just by uploading 8 videos. The channel name is The Life Outline. You've probably been recommended videos like these on YouTube at some point. And if not, don't worry. These videos are currently going super viral in Tier 1 countries like the USA. This channel uploaded its first video just 2 months ago, and that first video already has 2 million views. The second video broke records, 5.5 million views in just 1 month. That's massive growth. And don't even think about earnings. They've already made thousands of dollars. The concept of these videos is simple. You create videos about a specific thing or person, for example, a cartel mule or Mexican cartel ranks. We'll discuss the video concept in detail later. For now, look at these channels so you understand how viral this content is. This channel gained close to 30,000 subscribers with just 30 videos. This video was uploaded on the channel 4 weeks ago, and it already has over 720,000 views. Another channel has over 24,000 subscribers from 55 videos, and it has gained over 2 million views since it was created. So you've probably noticed one thing. All these channels started going viral in the last month. That means this niche is still trending. You can start a channel in this niche without overthinking. Now that you understand where this niche came from, let's learn how to create videos. First, understand which title formats work. These are the type of titles that work very well. POV, you are, what it's like to be, your life as. You can also create your own variations to stand out and look unique. All the prompts that you will need are in the document file in the comments section. First, to open the doc file, copy the first prompt for video ideas, paste it in ChatGPT, and hit enter. It will generate ideas in multiple formats. You can ask for more ideas in any format you like if you are not satisfied with the ones given to you. For the purpose of this video, we will use this title, POV, you're paid to erase people from the internet forever. Next, we will generate the video script. Go back to the Google document and copy this prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will provide us with a very well-detailed script that has the potential to go super viral. Next, we will need to convert our text to speech. There are many AI tools that can do this, tools like 11 Labs, but we will use a free tool, so we don't have to spend any money just yet. Now, head on to Google AI Studio and click on Get Started. Select Text to Speech, then click on Single Speaker. Paste your script here, and then in the Style section, go back to your Google Doc, copy this, and paste it here. Then select the voice that best suits what you want, and click Run. After a few minutes, your audio will be ready. Sometimes it takes up to 5 minutes to be ready. Once your audio is ready, then download it to your device. Next, we will create 2D images for our video. Go to your Google Doc file and copy the prompt for image creation. Paste it here, and also add your script to it. Within a few seconds, your image prompt will be ready. These are not all the prompts, so as soon as you are done converting these, you can type yes and click send, and ChatGPT will generate the next part for you. If you have watched to this point, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's continue. Next, we will be creating our visuals. For this, we will be using another free AI tool. We will use Google Whisk. Head on to Google Whisk and then click on Browse. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first text-to-image prompt. Come back to Whisk and paste it here. Within seconds, our first images will be ready. Select the one that suits you best and download it. Also drag it into this section here so you can use it as a reference. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt, paste it here, and click on Generate. Do this for the rest of the prompts until we have all of the images we will be needing. When our images are ready, then we will head on to CapCut. Open your CapCut and first import your audio. Drag and drop it on the timeline. Remove long silences, then add the images. Drag each image to fit into the audio and make sure it matches perfectly. Do this for the rest of the images. After that, you can add background music and also add animation to make it look more interesting to watch. When everything is ready, export your video and you should have something like this.
You get the message at 2:17 a.m. No name, no greeting, Just a number. $500. One job. One profile. A link appears. An old social media account. Inactive. Forgotten. Erase it. You think it's a joke until half the account disappears by itself. Someone is watching. You follow the instructions. Report the account. Flag old posts.
Now you can upload your video to YouTube. I also left a prompt on how to create the thumbnail in the Google Doc file. Now here's the reality. A year from now, there will be two types of people watching this video. The ones who said, "This is interesting," and did nothing. And the ones who took this idea, executed, and built channels pulling millions of views. So decide right now which one you are. And if you want more strategies like this, not the basic stuff everyone repeats, but the ones that actually work, then don't just watch and leave. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the post notifications. Make sure you're here for the next one, because the next idea might be the one you wish you didn't miss.